squared
هيدي ما
minus
بنقولها
12x.
ax فضل. This we read it a of x. Yes, equal
equal 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 plus x minus 4 into 3 minus 2x.
Okay, so this is a of x. Please read b of x.
5x minus 6 all of it squared minus 9 into x minus 1 all of it squared.
Okay, so we have a of x and we have b of x, Fadil. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, just wait a minute. I want to share something else. I will stop sharing this now because I want to share with you the okay. Any of you has the questions in front of him? Do you have the questions, guys?
They're not in front of me.
Okay, I'm bringing the questions because I want to read every exercise with you. Please wait just a minute. I'm opening the worksheet now because I want to read the question before we solve it, because it's very important to read the question before being solved. Just one moment. I'm opening the question sheet. Okay, so now I have the question sheet now. Okay, so again, I will share the worksheet. Yes, Fadil, in the first part of the worksheet, we have two polynomials, a of x and b of x. Fadil, you should factorize a of x. Okay, Fadil?
سنتعمل loading لأنه الإنترنت بطيء.
Okay. Did you see it now, the worksheet solution?
No.
Okay, so you have Fadil a of x equal 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 plus x minus 4 into 3 minus 2x. Did you see it now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Fadil, the first question is, we should factorize a of x, Fadil. Let's look again at a of x. If we look at a of x, we have 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. It is written in expanded form. And we have x minus 4 into 3 minus 2x. This is factorized form. We know
Yes.
to factorize a polynomial or an algebraic expression, we should either find a common factor or use remarkable identities, right?
Yes.
What do you have a common factor here, Fadil?
No. Remarkable identity too.
Which one should you on what should you apply a remarkable identity? On what?
Two, because the first sign is minus.
Yes, so 4x squared minus 12x plus 9, we should write it in the form of a minus b all of it squared. What's the answer, Fadil?
2x.
Yes.
Minus 3.
All of it squared.
All of it squared.
Bravo, Fadil. So the first part, we apply the remarkable identity 2 to write it as 2x minus 3 all of it squared. Now, Fadil, I want to ask you, between 2x minus 3 all of it squared and x minus 4 into 3 minus 2x, do you see a common factor?
Yes.
What's the common factor, Fadil?
2x minus 3.
But in the second one, we do not have a 2x minus a 3, right?
Yes, we have 3 minus 2x.
So we should change the sign of the second one. 3 minus 2x, we should change its sign, right, Fadil?
Yes.
Okay. How do we change the sign of a parenthesis? What do we write outside?
Minus.
Minus, and we write 2x minus 3, right?
Yes.
Okay, now what's the common factor?
2x minus 3.
So we take a common factor 2x minus 3, yes. Now we should, yes, Fadil, we should remove the bracket. Now 2x minus x is how much?
X.
X. Minus 3 plus 4 is how much?
4. 1.
Bravo. So 2x minus 3 into x plus 1. Okay, Fadil?
Okay.
فضل بلشت تحلوا لهيدا السؤال لحالك بالبيت ولا لا؟
لا بعد الورشة بعد.
اوكي، حتى لو حليناها قدامك اليوم ترجع بتبلش فيها من اول وجديد يا فضل حبيبي. اوكي؟
اوكي.
اليوم بلش فيها بليز لانه بكره بدنا نكملها. ثانك يو فضل. Now I want to share the question. Let's read in part B. What should we do? Do you see the question sheet, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Now I want to ask Adam. Yes يا آدم. معي أنت يا آدم. آدم.
نعم.
خليك unmuted آدم. خليك ما ترجع تعمل ميوت لإلك أنا. Look at part B, Adam. Show that B of x is equal to x minus 3 into 8x minus 9. I want to ask you, Adam, if I have written B of x in this form, what do we call this form? Expanded form or factorized form?
Expanded.
رح ارجع اقرا لك اياه يا ادم. 2x minus 3 into 8x minus 9 expanded or factorized?
Factorized.
Okay, so here when you are asked show that B of x is written in this form, as if he is telling you factorize B of x. So this is B of x. We should factorize now Adam B of x, okay? Let's factorize together B of x, Adam. So B of x is B of x is 5x minus 6 all of it squared minus 9 into x minus 1 all of it squared. شايفها لآدم للبي of x يلي هون؟ بدنا نعمل لها factorize يا آدم. أول شيء we ask, is there any common factor between 5 minus x, 5x minus 6 all of it squared and 9 into x minus 1 all of it squared? في شيء common factor يا آدم شايف أنت؟
لا.
ما في common factor. So we cannot factorize using a common factor. We should factorize using what? Remarkable?
Well, identities.
Okay, which remarkable identity do you use? The first, the second, or the third?
Second.
Second يلي هي أي واحدة ذكرني فيها.
A squared minus 2ab plus b squared.
شايف أنت هون a squared minus 2ab plus b squared؟
لا.
خليني أسألك سؤال يا آدم. How many factors do you have in this algebraic expression?
None.
Okay, 2. مين هي اللي عندها 2 factors? a squared minus 2ab plus b squared ولا a squared minus b squared?
A squared minus b squared.
So this we factorize it using a squared minus b squared. A squared هي 5x minus 6 all of it squared and b squared is 9 into x minus 1 all of it squared. صح؟ I need a minus b into a plus b. شو بتكون ال a minus b يا آدم؟ آدم إذا a squared هي 5x minus 6 all of it squared شو بتكون ال a؟
5x.
وين اللي راحت الماينس 6؟ ما هيدا باينوميال يا آدم حبيبي، هيدا باينوميال، يعني 5x ماينس 6 هو كله مع بعضه تيرم، ما فيني أفصله أنا شلق نصه وخلي نصه. فإذا a squared هي 5x ماينس 6 all of it squared، شو بتكون ال a؟
5x minus 6 all of it squared.
هيدي a squared، شو بتكون ال a؟ بلا squared، اقرا لي إياه.
5x minus 6.
أوكي. إذا ال b squared هي 9 into x minus 1 all of it squared، رجع لي ال 9 لأصلها، شو كانت ال 9؟ What was 9؟
3.
3. x minus 1 all of it squared شو كانت؟
x minus 1.
فإذا يا آدم أول شيء بنحط ال a هي 5x minus 6 minus 3 into x minus 1، والثاني اللي هو a plus b 5x minus 6 plus 3 into x minus 1. عرفت كيف عملناها لهيدي يا آدم؟ a minus b into a plus b. Now let's get rid of the first bracket. يلا يا آدم شو بكتب؟
5x minus 6 minus 3.
3 اضربها ب x minus 1 شو بتصير؟
3x minus 1.
حبيبي الماينس 3 بدي اضربها ب x minus 1، ماينس 3 ب x شو بتصير؟ آدم اضرب ماينس 3 ب x شو الجواب؟
x.
ماينس 3x يا آدم. آدم إذا ضربنا ماينس 3 ب x شو بيعطيني answer؟
minus 3x.
minus 3 times minus 1 minus times minus
positive.
3 times 1
3.
اوكي. تاني واحد يا آدم 5x minus 6 اضرب بلس 3 ب x شو بيعطيني؟
plus 3x.
بلس 3 ب minus 1
minus 3.
اوكي. امنا البراكت. Let's reduce the first one آدم. 5x minus 3x شو بيعطيني؟
minus 2x.
ليش ماينس؟ 5 ناقص 3 قد ايه يا آدم؟ بطلنا نعرف ننقص.
2x.
2x minus 6 plus 3 مثل الكبير ومننقص، شو إشارة الكبير؟
minus.
6 minus 3
3.
minus 3 يا آدم. والتاني 5x plus 3x هو 8x minus 6 minus 3 هي minus 9. So we have written b of x in factorized form. Thank you, Adam. Guys, any question till now before I continue? Hello?
No.
Any question?
No questions.
No.
No.
No question. Yasmina. Yasmina? ياسمينة سمعتني؟ بعدك معانا أنت ولا رحتي؟ ياسمينة؟ ياسمينة؟ مهدي؟ مهدي؟
Yeah.
Okay. Mahdi, in part C, we should expand A of X.
Yeah.
What do we mean when we say expand? What should we do? سامعني يا مهدي؟ مريم؟
Yeah, we got rid of parentheses.
Yes, miss.
اوكي خلص خلي مهدي عم يحكي بعد شوي بسألك مريم. So to expand يا مهدي is to get rid of parentheses. Yes. In the first part we have no parentheses so we keep it as it is. Now we should get rid of these two parentheses مهدي. Okay. Your voice is lagging Mahdi. I can't hear you clearly. Do you hear me Mahdi?
Yeah, I can.
You're lagging. Okay, let me talk to Mariam. Yes, Mariam.
Yes, miss.
Okay, Mariam. Mariam, I want to get rid of these parentheses. Let's get rid of them. X times 3.
3x.
X times minus 2x.
Minus 2x squared.
Minus 4 times 3.
Minus 12.
Minus 4 times minus 2x.
8x.
اوكي مريم بدي اسالك سؤال فيك تجاوبيني؟
Yes.
Why did I leave the parentheses here? ليه ما خلصت منهم للparentheses?
Because they're a positive before the.
Bravo. Now everything inside the parentheses is multiplied by a plus. Now let's reduce Mariam. 4x squared minus 2x squared is how much?
Minus 2x squared.
ليه minus يا مريم؟ 4 minus 2 قد ايه؟
2.
2x squared.
2x
minus,
squared.
Minus 12x plus 3x.
Minus 9x.
Plus 8x.
Minus 1x.
Bravo. 9 minus 12.
Minus 3.
Thank you. So this is the expanded form of a of x. Thank you, Mariam. Now I move to, let me talk to Amir. Yes, Amir.
Yes, miss.
Amir, in part D, the question is solve. Let me talk for 1 minute here, Amir, before we solve this one, before we do this part.
Okay.
In the last quiz that we did on Friday before our week vacation, we had such a question in the quiz, right, Amir?
Yeah.
Most of the students did it wrong. Why? Because here I said solve a of x equals 0. Guys, whenever you see the word solve, solve means we should get the value of x in numbers. Here I didn't say x is equal to 0. Did I say, Amir, x is equal to 0 or a of x is equal to 0?
A of x is equal to 0.
So what they thought in the quiz was, as if I have given here the numerical value of x, they replaced it in a of x and got the numerical value. Here I'm not asking about the numerical value of a of x. I'm asking you to solve, guys. Solve means you should find x. I haven't given you x. You should find the value of x. I want to ask you, Amir, if I have given you a of x is equal 0, which a of x do you take? The original, the factorized, or the expanded?
The expanded.
Amir, if I give you a of x is equal to 0, whenever you see equal 0, which form do you take?
Factorized?
Yes, we take, Amir, the factorized, which is 2x minus 3 into x plus 1. So we take 2x minus 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Solve it, Amir. How do we solve it?
The first by the first, first by the second, second
no,
by the first,
Amir,
second by the second.
Amir, here we are not expanding.
Oh, equations.
Equation, yes. What's the first equation?
First equation is
أمير حبيبي اطلع هون. You have two parentheses multiplied together equal to 0. Either the first parenthesis is equal to 0 or
Equal
the
to
second
0.
parenthesis is equal to 0.
Oh, okay.
How we solve, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what do we write, Amir?
2x minus 3 is equal to 0.
Yes.
Or
Or
x plus 1 is equal to 0.
if 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, then?
X plus 1 is equal to 0.
If 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, solve it. 2x is equal to?
2x is equal to 0.
To 3, Amir. This is how we solve, Amir. Did you remember it now?
Wait. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, I remember it now. Simple form.
Okay, or x plus 1 is
x plus
equal
1
to 0.
to 0 into x equals minus 1.
So it has two solutions, x equal 3 over 2 or x is equal to minus 1, right?
Minus 1, yeah.
Okay, stay with me, Amir. Now you should solve a of x is equal to minus 3 because here we have minus 3. Which form do we take? The factorized or the expanded a of x?
Expanded?
Yes, we take the expanded a of x is equal to minus 3. The second part of the equation should always be 0. So what do we do for this minus 3?
We take it to the first side.
We take it to the first side. Now minus 3 plus 3 becomes 0. The equation becomes 2x squared
2x
minus x is equal to 0. How do you solve this? What should you do? We take a common what?
Common factor.
Which is?
X.
So x into 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Solve it, Amir.
It's 2 minus 1 equal to 0, which is 1 minus 0.
Okay, I want to ask you, Amir, what do you have here?
X.
Either x is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, right?
Yeah.
So x is equal to 0 is the first solution.
And then
or
2x minus 1
is equal to 0, so x is equal to half. Also, this has two solutions, okay, Amir?
Okay.
Please solve this exercise today again, please.
Okay.
Thank you, Amir. Now I move to Sarah. Yes, Sarah.
Yes, miss.
We should solve b of x is equal to 0. Which b of x do you take?
The factorized.
The factorized. This is the factorized. Solve it.
2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 over 2.
This is the first solution. Or
8x minus 9 is equal to 0. Then 8x is equal to 9. Then x is equal to 9 over 8.
Bravo. This is the second solution is 9 over 8. Thank you, Sarah. I move to Nurjan. Yes, Nurjan. Nurjan. نورجان بعدك معي؟ نورجان فلت. طيب I move to لنا.
Yes, miss.
ليه ما رديتي أول الصف؟
ما كان عندي كهرباء أول شي فتت بس بعدين ظهرت.
أوكي. خلينا هلأ نحل اللي جاي يا لنا. A of x equal B of x. Which A of x do you take, Lana?
The factorize.
Bravo. Which B of x do you take?
The factorize.
Bravo. So we write the factorized A of x and the factorized B of x. نحن بنعرف يا لنا بالإيكويشن تاني جهة شو لازم تكون دايما؟ لنا؟
إنه إذا minus أو plus.
تاني جهة هون دايما أنا قلت لما بدي حل إيكويشن شو لازم تكون زيرو، صح؟
0 yes.
لنعملها 0 شو بنعمل بهول اللي موجودين هون؟ لوين بناخدهم؟
To the second side.
على أول جهة صح؟ فإذا بناخدهم
Yes.
على أول جهة وبنعملها equal to 0. أوكي هيدا الفاكتور الأول يا لنا وهيدا الفاكتور الثاني. Between the first factor and the second factor is there any common؟
Yes 2x minus 3.
برافو. فإذا هون بنعمل فاكتورايز قبل بيطلع عندنا
Yes.
الفاكتورايزد فورم يلي شايفيته قدامك. هلا أنت حلي لي إياه. أول parenthesis equal to 0 شو بنكتب؟ 2x minus 3
2x
is equal
to 0 or minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0.
برافو. بنحل الأول وبنلاقي السوليوشن وبنحل الثاني وبنلاقي السوليوشن. أوكي لنا؟
Yes.
Okay, thank you Lana. Now we move
Welcome.
to part E. In part E I want to ask Hadi. Yes Hadi. Hadi?
Yeah, miss.
F of x is equal A of x over B of x. Which A of x do you write and which B of x do you write in F of x?
The factorized form.
Bravo, the factorized A of x and the factorized B of x. So this is the first thing we should do. We should replace A of x by the factorized form, B of x by the factorized form. Now Hadi, question number 1. For what values of x is F of x defined? هيدا الفراكشن ايمتين بيكون defined يا هادي؟ If
fx is defined when 2x minus 3 into 8x minus 9 does not equal to 0.
برافو يا هادي. كمان هيدي بنحلها وبنشوف ايمتين ما لازم يكونوا equal to 0 صح؟
Yes.
هلا يا هادي من بعد ما شفنا الدومين of definition in number 2 simplify f of x. هيدا هو ال f of x. لنعمل simplify who cancels who؟
2x minus 3 cancels 2x minus 3 بيبقى
برافو
x
يا
plus 1
هادي.
over 8x minus 9.
برافو. فإذا مثل ما قال هادي بيبقى عندنا x plus 1 over 8x minus 9. Thank you هادي. I move to column now.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I'm here.
Now column, solve f of x is equal to minus 1. Do here I mean a numerical value or solving column?
We mean solving, not the numerical value.
So we take the simplified f of x is equal to minus 1. So x plus 1 over 8x minus 9 is equal to minus 1. How do we solve it?
We do cross multiplication, right?
Bravo, yes, we do the cross multiplication. Yes, cross multiply, please.
So x plus 1 times 1 is equal to x plus 1. And 8 of x minus 9 times minus 1 is equals to minus 8 of x plus 9.
Yes.
I saw that, yeah. Okay, so then after we take all the x's to one side and all the normal numbers to the other side.
Well done.
And then
yes, well done. Continue. X plus 8x.
As 8x is equal to 8x squared. And then 9 minus 1 is equal to 8.
Column. You've done
Oh,
X
wait, never mind. Sorry.
X plus 8x, not times.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Pardon me.
What is x plus 8x?
It's 9x, sorry. 9x.
9x equal 8, then x is equal to?
Then x equals to 8 over 9.
Thank you, column. 8 over 9. Abbas. Okay. Abbas?
Yes.
Calculate f of radical 2. هيدا الشكل يا عباس solve ولا numerical value؟ حبيبي عباس